automatically activated to warn of the impending severe weather and or hazards in east central Kentucky. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted every Tuesday between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. local time, and every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local time.
Yeah!
There is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area. The test is postponed until the next available non-severe or hazard day. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Office in Louisville, from a transmitter in Lexington on a frequency of 162.4 megahertz.
My phone interviews with the older ones.
From a transmitter in Madison County on a frequency of 162.525 megahertz. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for launches and warnings affecting the following counties. In east central Kentucky, Anderson,
It's one of them touch me and I'll shut up radios.
Fayette, Garrett, Harrison, Jessamine, Madison, Mercer, Montgomery, Nicholas, Scott, and Woodford. This concludes the test of the NOAA radio warning alarm and emergency alert system.
This made you cheering
We
for
now return you to regular
for
programming.
people who fear the EAS.
Now for the official National Weather Service forecast.